Hello, how you doing? I'm very sorry I've been too busy within the day. I was supposed to have uploaded this video before now, but I've been too busy with some businesses up and down. But I think it's high time I upload the video to actually show you how I trade or how I take some particular trade. I know you have particular questions in regard to the gold trade that I explained it to you the other day, but I'll tell you step by step how you could have managed the trade or even quit the trade or not take the trade at all. Because as time goes on, when you are able to learn my strategies, you'll be able to know when to take a trade and when not to take a trade. So what I'll just do is I cannot tell you I cannot tell you a recap of all what I do when I'm trading now, because this is just a very short video. But when we'll be going on with the training, I'll be able to give a step by step process of how I actually take my trade. Yeah, this video will be very short because I have a webinar with some clients immediately after this, so the video will not be too long. So as you can see, I always like to use a lot of charts when I'm explaining this, but I could still use any chart. I could use any chart. Let me think. I could use any chart. Okay. Anyway, let me go back to gold. Let me go back to the gold chart. All right. As I told you, I trade mostly, or I will recommend that you trade mostly the 4-hour, the daily, the 4-hour and the daily chart, because that's a higher time frame and you can eliminate all the emotions. So what I'm going to do now is very brief. You can see a lot of lines on my chart. These lines on my chart, they are called the support and resistance lines. The support and resistance line. Then the blue area is a key zone. It's a key zone to me. It's a key zone. Why? You can see a typical price action here. You can see a typical price action here, and you can see a typical price action here. Even if you go right behind, see something. See what's happening. You can see a typical price action here. You can see typical price action here. You can see typical price action here. Right to 2015, the price action is continuing. So the strategy, when you're able to, if you are stable and you're able to understand what I'm going to show you, you'll be able to win a lot of trade with these strategies. So as I told you, I trade naked charts. You read your chart, you take what the market gives you. You don't confuse yourself with indicators. This chart is a gold chart, and there are a lot of strategies which I use to enter a particular trade. First thing first, when I want to enter a trade, I first of all determine my key support and resistance zones. My key. There are many zones on the chart. You can see there are many minor zones, but I select just the major ones. Not to bother. Don't bother yourself. As we'll be going ahead, I will show you how to select just those major zones which the market must touch those zones when they are moving. I'll show you step by step how to select those zones, so don't bother yourself so much. If we start, I would just like us to do a little bit of back testing. Back testing is very important for you to be able to test how your strategy works. So just be attentive. I'll do a little bit of back testing to show you how my strategy works. But as we go ahead, I'll be able to give a step-by-step process of how to trade using the strategy. And you'll be able to take your trades at any time and manage your trade and manage all your winning trade with no stress. For now, I trade forex without any stress. When you start trading forex without any stress, that's when it becomes profitable, because you know what you are doing. So let's just start. Let's just take 1 year of back testing. Let's start in January 2016. Okay, this is January 2016. Okay, if I come here, this market has been in a general downtrend, and here you can see there's a big price action right here. At this level, this is a level where I just stay out of the market. When the market keep doing this, I just stay out of the market completely. Why? Because at this market, the bulls and the bears are actually in conflict. The buyers and the sellers, they are in conflict. That the power between the demand and supply is equal. So you cannot take most of the trades that you take here, you're going to lose it because there's no liquidity. You only make money in forex when there's liquidity. So at this level, I'll just stay out of the market. I'll stay out of the market and only wait. You can see from here the market has formed a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? And here it has also formed a lower low, but here instead of forming a lower high, instead of forming a lower low here, it instead formed a higher low. Higher low, why? Because it has not broken this level. Very simple. Higher low because it has not broken this level. If it could have broken this level, it will confirm to us that it is now on a downtrend. It is still on a downtrend. But since it didn't broke this level, it's confirming to us that the bulls are taking control of the market. The bulls are taking control of the market. So at this level, what I'm watching now is now the higher low. I'm watching now this level. If the market can break this level, good. If the market can break this particular level, I'll know that the bulls have actually won the battle. I'll not enter the trade immediately. There's one thing in Forex. You have got to be very patient. You have got to be very patient when you want to take positions in Forex. So even as it has broken this level, I'll not take the trade immediately. I'll have to be patient and wait for the market, because as it broke, it will have to come and test this level. Most of the time, 90% of the times, it will have to come back and test this level, because this is now the resistance level. So if I take my line, this is the level where I'll be watching. You can see this level, right? I can even make this line horizontal line properties. Let me make it a little bit, let me make it green so that will not confuse us with the other lines. Okay, if you watch this line, the market break this line. Now I'll not enter the trade. I'll wait for it to retrace and I'll always sell. I'll only buy here. You see, the market went up. As it formed now a higher high, it came back from a lower low. Immediately from a lower low, I'll put my buy signal here. I'll put a buy stop. You use stops. You use stops when you anticipate the direction of the movement of the market. So I'll put my buy stop here and my stop loss here. Let's calculate the risk to reward. My buy stop is gonna be here. My stop loss is gonna be here. I give a few pips below the low of this one, because the market can move a little bit against you. So I'll be risking 264 pips. And if I'm watching my price action, you can see that this is the highest level where there was price action. So I'll be targeting this level. You can see I have a red line here. So that's the level where I'm going to be targeting, because price action has repeatedly, these levels are where you can see the red lines. These lines are very technical. I will show you how to draw them in my subsequent classes. So this is the level where I'll be targeting. I'll only be targeting this level. So I'll be risking 270 pips to gain 929 pips. It's simple. It's very simple. So that's almost a 1:4 risk to reward. That's a wonderful trade. That's a wonderful trade. So as soon as I put my buy stop here, I need to be patient. The first day, this is the first candle. It will not trigger our stop. I will not bother. The second day, it will not trigger our stop still, because our buy stop is still here. I will not bother. But the third day, you can see the third day, it triggers our stop. And immediately it triggers our stop. Immediately trigger our buy stop. It started going immediately on our favor. It started going immediately on our favor for more than, and in 14 days, we already hit our target. This is our target. This could be our target here. We already hit our target with 900 pips, and you're out. Simple. In less than 13 days. Simple. No stress. With time now, I'll be able to show you how you can monitor the trade. Because if I'm trading, if I took this trade at this level, I'll add another trade. Why? This is a kangaroo. We call this a kangaroo reversal signal. This is a kangaroo reversal signal. Because this show you that as the market was progressing, the bears tried to come to market. That's the supply force tried to come into the market, but the liquidity was enough to pull the market to go again on our favor. So this kangaroo tail, as soon as this kangaroo tail is formed, I'll put another buy stop here, and my stop loss will just be here. So I'll be risking 127 pips, and my target will still be here to have 700 pips. So you see how it's very simple. You see, that's why most people ask me, how do you trade with a lot of ease, without stress? How do you trade? You see how it's very simple. So I'll put my buy stop here, my stop and my target still here. In few days, in 5 days or 6 days, it will trigger my target. And if it trigger my target, this trade is already winning 700 pips plus 900 pips. That's almost about 1,600 pips. And depending on your lot size, depending on your account size, depending on your lot size, that is a lot of money. If you are using a standard lot, if you are using you have a $10,000 account and using a standard lot, 1,000 pips is already $10,000. It's already $10,000. It's simple. People do that. I do that most of the times. But I'll just pray and beg you that be patient enough. Be patient enough to give your time to take my study, to take my lessons step by step. I want you to make money in Forex as all my clients are making. I want you to make money in Forex. Okay, as soon as I reach at this level, I'll not bother. Most of the time I go buy myself a laptop, I go enjoy myself, I relax, allow the market to calm down. From this level, you could see that the market down. I'll go to other pairs. I'll navigate and go to other pairs. I look for other opportunities. I don't just trade one pair. I'll look for other opportunities in other pairs. Then, as soon as it breaks this key level, as soon as the market start trying to break this key level, I'll start looking for other opportunities. So there are different strategies where I'm going to show you. You have the full engulfing. An example of a full engulfing candle, I will show you. And you only trade a full engulfing candle if it is in the direction of a trend. For example, the full engulfing candle which occur the last 2 days, the one I was using as an example, this was not a typical trade. This was not a good example to take a trade here. Why? This full engulfing bearish red candle, you can see fully engulfed this one. It was not a good opportunity to sell this market because the overall trend has been an uptrend. If I go to the weekly chart, see something. You can see in the weekly chart, this channel is very, very clear. So I'll also teach you how to use different time frames to make your analysis. In the weekly chart, you can see the market was just merely retracing. It was just around here by the time we're doing the analysis. So we're just merely retracing. And immediately after the retracement, it resumed the direction. And our target for this market to reach is somewhere around here. This market still has about 300 pips to move. I'll keep you updated on this particular gold trade. It still has about 300 pips to move. Even if you move to the monthly chart, you still be able to know. See, this is a typical bullish kangaroo tail. I'll be able to show you all these things, how you can use different time frames, even lower time frames to be able to take your to ascertain your trade, to take your direction, and so on and so on. I want you to make money for it. I want you to be profitable. So this was just a brief class, or I just thought it possible to send you this video before going for my meeting. I hope you find this very useful, and if you want to continue with me, I'll send you my payment information. Just as I told you, I've been helping you a lot, and now is the time. If you want to be serious in Forex, you have got to spend something. You have got to invest in it. You have got to invest in your education. So I'm going to send you the payment informations. I'm going to send you my Western Union information. If you're interested, you make the payment at any time, and I'm ready to answer all your questions at any time. To answer all your questions at any designated time we have agreed to hold our seminar. And I'll be your live mentor. You can always ask me any question at any time. We can always discuss at any time. So I'll send you the payment informations, and I'm waiting for your payment at any time. As soon as your payment is cleared, we'll go on with the training. I'll be sending you videos, I'll be sending you audios, I'll be making phone calls, we'll be taking webinars, we'll be taking YouTube videos, we'll be any means that I know I can use to pass the information across. I want to be able to know I have a potential Forex trader in India, which I have been the one who has trained. I want to be able to know that. I want to be confident in that. So if you're interested, I'll send the details, make the payment, and we go on with the training as soon as possible. So have a nice day, have a nice weekend, just chill, enjoy yourself. My regards to your family, your beautiful child, and I'll see you in our next video if we'll continue our classes. Cheers, thank you.